It's raining, raining, raining here this morning. As I sit down, hang my head in shame. With a smile I try to greet each early dawn, but they've given me a number for my name. Many a little raindrop falling close to me makes the streams and rivers just muddy as can be. It's raining, raining, raining here this morning as the Mississippi flows into the sea. How I wish that I could see my darling and hold her in my arms just as before. I used to tell her every day I loved her, but now she doesn't love me anymore. She knew that I was guiltless of this one crime and said that she'd be waiting there for me, but she has found somewhere else to wander, where the Mississippi flows into the sea. That I could follow all the raindrops down the Mississippi toward the Silver Sea, but there's no way to prove that I'm not guilty, so I will have to suffer all the shame. Go and tell her